Hello everyone, and welcome to this review of SmartTools and SmartLevels. The chart is an intraday range bar chart of Russell 2000 index futures. These black bars in the middle of the chart represent the overnight trading activity. There was news out at 8:30 which had the market pretty much sideways from yesterday's close. We had news coming out at 10 Eastern, and this blue arrow shows the first trade that I did take. Now, when I'm trading in advance of the news, I like to do it earlier rather than closer to the news release. So in this situation, the setup was not ideal. That's not the right setup. Okay, there it is. It was not ideal in that the entry was pretty close to the overhead daily level, and the targets were above the daily level. However, I did take the trade because we did have the news acting as a magnet, in my opinion, up along with the smart level itself. So the entry was nice in that it was above this day trading level. So my strategy was to wait until the market triggered a trade at 743.70. That's the software entry, and then a pullback to the day trading level at 743.50. which I did do, and then I exited the trade one tick shy of the 744.50 overhead daily level. I don't like to ask the market to get me out on 50-cent barriers. The setup right here is going into the news. It's just a few minutes before the news release. I don't like to enter trades that time because market action can get quite unpredictable at times, and it's not worth the risk in my opinion. However, you can see it was a great trade. The entry was right on the smart level. The way to have traded this, had you desired to take the trade, would be to wait till the market went through the smart level and then pulled back to it and enter there. And you can see this trade went on to the overhead smart level at 747.50 and thrashed around. This short setup was just going into the lunch hour. This is not a trade I would take so close to the lunch hour because things just slow down so much at the lunch hour. However, you can see both profit targets were reached. This trade was validated by the smart levels in that the entry was on the other side of 747.50, and the targets were, of course, down below. Well, that's all for today. So long for now.